If you're in your 20s, 30s, or even your 40s, you're probably working hard to build a better future. But here's the harsh truth: most people are walking straight into financial trap that silently steal their money, peace, and progress. Today, I'm going to expose the biggest money traps that ruin lives in each decade and how you can escape them before it's too late. Whether you are a student, a young professional, or a parent, this video could literally save you thousands or even hundreds of thousands over your lifetime. Before we dive in, if you're ready to master your money and unlock your full potential, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a powerful insight. Let's hop in straight away. Most money mistakes are not made overnight, they are built up slowly. But the earlier you recognize them, the faster you take control of your future. Let's dive into the biggest money trap you must avoid in your 20s, 30s, and 40s. Money traps to avoid in your 20s. Number one is living off credit cards. In your 20s, it's easy to see credit card as free money, but interest rates are brutal. 1,000 mistake can balloon into 2,000 or hundreds of thousands before you even realize it. Instead, use credit card only when you can pay it off in full. Number two is spending mentality. You only live once, so you can spend whatever thing you want to spend. You can party, go for gadgets, travel. You want to experience life to its fullest or in its fullest. But remember, you also live tomorrow. Budget for fun, but don't bankrupt your future. Three is ignoring investing. Most 20s sometimes think investing is for old people, but time is your superpower. Investing just 100 a month in your 20s could grow to over 300 and more thousands for your retirement. The fourth one is loan. Student loan, blindness, and the rest. Many students borrow without understanding the repayment. Always research repayment plan and interest. Don't borrow more than your expected first year salary. Five, not building your credit score wisely. A good credit score, cheaper loan, housing access, and even job opportunities. Get a low limit credit card. Pay on time and keep usage very low. Set up an automatic saving, even 25 monthly can do a long way. It builds the habit and builds you stronger. Now, let's talk about the money traps to avoid in your 30s. Number one is lifestyle creeps. Yes, you got a raise. Awesome. So awesome. But if your spending grows as fast as your income, you will stay broke forever. Upgrade your savings before your lifestyle. The second one is buying a home too soon. Don't get me wrong, home ownership is not a bad idea, it's a great one, but rushing in can chain you to a mortgage forever. Remember the maintenance and taxes? You are not ready for it. So make sure you think before you buy. Rent isn't wasting money. It gives you your flexibility and gives you time to save and accumulate wealth. Three is keeping retirement contribution. Retirement still feels far, but this is your last chance to make compound interest work hard for you. Contribute to your company and start your retirement plan. Four is financially carrying others. Whether it's helping parents or siblings, don't drown trying to save everyone. Help wisely, not blindly. Set boundaries or you all sink. Five is having kids without a financial plan. Children I know are blessings from God, but also a financial responsibility. So start with budgeting for childcare, education, and insurance before expanding your family. Having 3 to 6 months worth of expenses saved before any major life changes like a wedding, baby, or business launch is superpower. Now let's talk about the money traps to avoid in your 40s. Number one of them is playing cash up too late. Yes, most of us in that category will play cash up too late. Many people in their 40s panic about retirement and take risky shortcuts. Don't gamble. Reevaluate your budget. Increase your retirement contribution and stay consistent. Two, neglecting your health is a financial disaster. In your 40s, your health starts becoming more expensive. So poor lifestyle choices now will cost more later. Preventing is best savings account you can give to yourself. Three is overspending on teenagers. You want to give your kids the best, but don't confuse love with luxury. Teach them financial responsibility. Don't sacrifice your future for their presence. Four is avoiding estate planning. No one wants to think about wills and life insurance, but if you have dependents or property, not planning is irresponsible. Set up a basic estate plan now. 5 is staying in a job you have outgrown. If you are unfulfilled and underpaid, now is the time to pivot. You still have decades of potential. Don't let comfort cost you growth. Get professional financial advice. One section could save or make you thousands. No matter your age, avoid these things that I've just mentioned. Make sure you avoid no emergency fund, impulse purchases, keeping up with others, not tracking your spending. Thinking more money will solve everything. That is a wrong mindset. The truth is that money won't fix what discipline wants. A better income means nothing without better decision. Now you know the trap. The next step is to avoid them with intention. Like this video if you found value. Share it with a friend who needs it and drop a comment. Which money trap did you fall into and how did you escape it? Don't forget to subscribe for more real raw financial wisdom because your future deserves more than regrets. Every decade gives you a new chance to make smarter money moves, avoid the traps, build wisely, and live freely. See you in my next video. Bye.